Good morning, students. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Ranjit Kumar sir. It means you can say me Ranjit sir. I am teaching mathematics. Today I am going to start second chapter of mathematics of class 10th. The name of the chapter is polynomial. Polynomials. Polynomials. The dictionary in the meaning of this chapter means polynomial is bahulak. According to the name of this chapter, it means if you are going to split poly plus nomials. Poly means many or nomial means terms. Or according to the Hindi meaning, bahu, it means bahat. Or lak, it means this is a word, there is a word in Hindi, it means dikhna. Means an expression. In simply, we can define polynomial as an expression having so many terms. Means in simple word we can say that. Means सिंपल से शब्दों में हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि वैसा कोई एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें बहुत सारे टर्म्स हो उसको हम लोग पॉलिनोमियल बोल सकते हैं. और we can define this one as an expression which is in the form a0 plus a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3x3 and so on an where an does not equal to 0. This is the polynomial of degree n. It means if an becomes 0, it means this term will become 0. अगर an 0 हो जाएगा तो ये टर्म भी 0 हो जाएगा. It means इस पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री n नहीं रहेगा. इसी के लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि an 0 के बराबर नहीं होगा तभी ये एक्सप्रेशन n डिग्री का कोई पॉलिनोमियल होगा. अब पॉलिनोमियल्स, इसको हमने बोला कि having so many terms, an expression. Then what is expression? What is terms? What is term? Expression. First of all, terms. Term is a combination of or product of constant and variable. Constant, product, variable. Now, what is constant? What is constant? Constant means constant is a symbol. It is a symbol having a fixed value. For example, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 and any numerical digits, that is called constant. Or variable, we can say that कि a variable is a symbol. It is also a symbol having a variable value. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c, alpha, beta and so means this is constant and this is variable. And when we are going to multiply these two, means जब हम इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, means for example 4x, or we can say that 4x square, or simply 4, or simply x square. These all are called terms. And if we are going to combine these terms, 4x square plus 3x minus 5, if we are going to combine these terms, this is called an expression. So clear, this is terms, constant, variable, expression. Polynomial, there are so many types of polynomial. Before that, I want to tell you what is degree. डिग्री। आई थिंक इन क्लास 9 में हम लोगों ने डिग्री के बारे में पढ़ा है। इट मीन्स डिग्री, दिस इज अ सिंपल टर्म, वेरी सिंपल टर्म दिस इज। डिग्री मीन्स हाईएस्ट पावर of variable in any expression. Highest power of variable means variable का highest power किसी भी expression में उस expression का degree बोला जाता है। Means if I am writing as an example 4x square plus 3x cube minus 4x to the power 6. In this expression, there are variables x, and x. As we have learned here, variable and constant and variable. It means this is 2, this is 3, and this is 6. Which one is the most? सबसे बड़ा कौन है? सबसे बड़ा 6. It means the degree of this given expression is or given polynomial is 6. इस polynomial का degree 6. तो हम लोगों ने डिग्री 1 वाले टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल में सबसे पहले जानेंगे लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, सिंपली लीनियर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। बेसिक फॉर्म मींस लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल हमेशा किस फॉर्म में दिखता है? तो ये हमेशा दिखेगा ax plus b के टर्म। The basic form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, and we can define this one as a polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Similarly, the second type of polynomial is quadratic polynomial. The basic form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the basic form. Means generally quadratic polynomial इस फॉर्म में देखा जाता है या इसी फॉर्म में होता है। तो डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे? सिंपल है, सिमिलर टू लीनियर इक्वेशन, a polynomial having degree 2 means वैसा polynomial जिसका डिग्री 2 हो। फॉर एग्जांपल हम बोल सकते हैं 2x square plus 3x minus 6. Simply this is a quadratic polynomial because the degree is 2, or we can say that x का highest power 2 है इसीलिए। Now the third type of polynomial is cubic polynomial. Now you can say what is the basic form? ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And we can define this one as a polynomial having degree 3. And similarly, the fourth type of polynomial, that is biquadratic, or the second name. Generally students are going to be confused. Generally students confuse हो जाते हैं कि biquadratic और इसका दूसरा नाम क्वाड्रिक भी होता है। Quadratic polynomial means quadratic and quadratic, there are a lot of difference. Quadratic means having degree 2 and quadratic means having degree 4. The basic form is ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. In this polynomial, the polynomial having degree 4. The important thing is here, means here one more thing I have to write कि a does not equal to 0, a does not equal to 0, a does not equal to 0, and a does not equal to 0. Why I am writing here कि a does not equal to 0? Because of, just look at here, why I am telling here कि a does not equal to 0? Just look at here carefully. If a will be 0, then this term become 0. Only b means constant is here. In these all expression a, b, c, d, e all are constant. If this one becomes 0, this will be only constant. Means अगर ax a का वैल्यू 0 हो तो x भी मल्टीप्लाई में इट मींस 0 खत्म, इट मींस ओनली कांस्टेंट, सिर्फ कांस्टेंट बचेगा। तो ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल कांस्टेंट कभी भी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होता है। लेटर ऑन मींस नाउ लेटर ऑन वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट कॉल्ड, लेटर ऑन वी विल डिस्कस। Simply just look at it, quadratic polynomial. If this one becomes 0, means a becomes 0, it means this term becomes 0, this is omitted. Now, this one having degree 1, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Linear polynomial हो जाएगा. It means ये इसलिए लिखा जाता है कि a does not equal to 0. Now, come to the next point or next topic. Just wait. If you want to write it down, just pause the video, write it out in your copy, notebook, or wherever you want. Now we have learned here linear, quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic. Means there are 4 types of polynomial according to the or on the basis of degree, but on the basis of number of terms. On the basis of number of terms, there are also 2, 3, 4 types of polynomial. There it is. The first is called monomial. Monomial means we know ki mono, carbon monoxide, means when carbon react with one oxygen, that is called carbon monoxide. Similarly, mono means one, and expression or a polynomial having one term, only one term. For example, 4x, 3x, 3x square, 4, 3x cube, whatever. These all are monomial because of this is an expression and also having one term. It means this is monomial. Simply binomial. Binomial means what? Bi means 2. Means an expression having a polynomial having one term. A polynomial having 2 terms. For example, 2x plus 3, 4x square plus 5x, 3x square plus 5 and all, means these all are example of binomial. Similarly, trinomial, we can say that an expression or a polynomial having means 3 term. वैसा polynomial इसमें 3 term having 3 terms. 4x cube plus 5x square minus 6. Simply this is an example. Now more than 3, if a polynomial having more than 3 terms, 4 terms polynomial. Polynomial, it means a polynomial having 4 terms. And if a polynomial having more than 4 terms, that is simply called polynomials. Means polynomial having 5 terms, polynomial having 6 terms, polynomial having 10 terms, and all means simply we can say like this one, a polynomial having more than 4 terms. Now, according to the definition, we have known कि a polynomial is in the form of a1x1 plus a2x2 plus an xn. An expression is in the form of this one is called polynomial, but there is a condition. Variable having the power only as whole number. Means x, y, z, अल्फा, बीटा, गामा, अगर कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल का पावर होगा तो वो बस होल नंबर होना चाहिए, होल नंबर ही होना चाहिए, तभी वो पॉलिनोमियल होगा। अगर उसका पावर नेगेटिव, कोई फ्रैक्शनल, कोई नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर, कोई नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स होता है तो वो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा। तो हम लोग अभी आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखेंगे कि कौन सा गिवन टर्म या कौन सा गिवन एक्सप्रेशन पॉलिनोमियल होगा, कौन सा नहीं होगा, which one of the given expression is a polynomial and which one is not a polynomial. Simply just look at here. If I am writing as an example 4x plus 3, px is equal to 4x plus 3. Example number 1. This is a polynomial or not? Definitely this is a polynomial because the variable x having degree 1 because of the highest power of this given expression is 1. Means this यह एक polynomial होगा क्योंकि x का पावर 1 है और 1 एक whole number. ठीक? Now come to the next example. px. What do you mean by px? Polynomial in terms of x. Polynomial in terms of x is means we are writing this one as px because of polynomial in terms of x means यहाँ जो आगे एक्सप्रेशन होगा इसमें ये x वेरिएबल होगा, इसलिए इस x को यहाँ लिखा जाता है. Now I am writing here 4 root x plus 3x square plus 4. px is equal to this one. Is it a polynomial? No. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because of if we are solving or writing in the term of exponent, as we have learned, the root 2 it means 2 to the power 1 by 2. Cubic root of 5 it means 5 to the power 1 by 3. If we are solving this one, we get x having the power 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is a fraction or positive rational. क्या मैंने बोला था? पावर ओनली होल नंबर. पावर होल नंबर है तो 2 बट इसके साथ ये क्या? This is a rational. This is a fraction. That's why this is not a polynomial. Definitely. Now simply one more example I am going to tell you. Just I am writing here. Just look at here. Px is equal to 1 by x plus x square plus 4. Is it a polynomial? Students are getting confused. Students simply confused हो जाता है कि भाई x का पावर 2 है, यहाँ x का पावर 1 है, ये पॉलिनोमियल होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर सारे के सारे पावर्स होल नंबर है. बट जस्ट वेट. Why this is a polynomial? What is the basic form? This is a quadratic polynomial and the basic form was ax square plus bx plus c. First of all, we are trying to convert this polynomial in this term. सबसे पहले इस given polynomial को इस term में convert करेंगे, इस basic form में convert करेंगे, फिर हम लोग decide करेंगे कि ये polynomial हुआ नहीं हुआ. जैसे कि just I am solving this 1 by x to the power minus 1 plus x square plus 4. Now tell me, is it a polynomial? Definitely you can tell, you can say this is not a polynomial. Simply this is not a polynomial. Now, a standard form of polynomial. A standard form of polynomial. I am writing a polynomial here. Px is equal to 4x square plus 3x cube minus 4x plus 5. Is it a standard form of a given polynomial? No. Because of whenever we are writing the polynomial, that should be in the according to the decreasing order of degree. जब भी हम लोग पॉलिनोमियल को लिखेंगे, डिफाइन करेंगे, तो उसको डिग्री के डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं. इट मींस सबसे पहले सबसे बड़े डिग्री वाले पॉलिनोमियल को, सबसे बड़े वाले टर्म्स को जिसका डिग्री सबसे बड़ा होता है उसको लिखते हैं. इट मींस px is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square minus 4x plus 5. This is the standard form of this given polynomial. Now, just we are proceeding to the next topic or next term. Before that, what is this called? If I am writing px barabar 4, what is this? If you are writing here px barabar 4, it means this is also a polynomial. But what we can say this one? There is no variable, then no power, no degree. px बराबर 4 मैंने लिखा, डेफिनेटली ये पॉलिनोमियल होगा, बट यहाँ तो वेरिएबल है ही नहीं, तो हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, इसका डिग्री क्या होगा, इसका नाम क्या होगा? जस्ट लुक एट हियर ना, वी कैन राइट हियर 4 into 1 simply, yes, and we can write this one also 4x to the power 0, because of in class 8 or in class 7 we are not here, we have learned कि x to the power means 1. Now x means variable having the power 0, it means this is called zero polynomial. Means the degree of this polynomial is 0, and this type of polynomial is called constant polynomial. कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री हमेशा 0 होता है. कैसे होता है? Just look at it. Now, what is zero polynomial? One more term is here, zero polynomial. Zero is called zero polynomial. Zero is called zero polynomial. Simple, nothing else. Stop. We will learn the topic that is value of a polynomial at a given point. Means किसी भी polynomial का value किसी भी point पे कैसे निकालते हैं? Value of a polynomial. Now just look at here. If px is equal to x plus 4. Px means polynomial in terms of x. Here x is the variable. Now we have to find the value of this given polynomial when x बराबर 1. Simply x is equal to 1. X बराबर 1 means x के जगह पर 1 रख देना है. That's all. Simply p1 x की जगह 1 रखें, तो यहाँ भी x के ऊपर 1 पुट करना पड़ेगा. 1 plus 4 means 5. Simple. If you are going to find the value of this polynomial when x बराबर minus 2, for example, now we have to find p minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, hence means we are going to put x is equal to minus 2. It means minus 2 plus 4, the value will be 2. Answer, this is also an answer. If you want to write down, just pause the video and write it on your copy. This will help you. Now, after value of a polynomial at a given point, this is a very simple thing. How can we find a value? P1, P2, P3 or so on. We can find also P minus 1. What is the value? Minus 1 plus 4, it means 3. Simply, we are adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing this one also. Now, the next topic that is zero of a polynomial. This is a very important topic. Zero or zeros of polynomial. Zero or zeros of polynomial means a value alpha. A value alpha is called the zero of polynomial px when p alpha is equal to 0. Means just try to understand. Very simple thing this is कि कोई भी वैल्यू अल्फा किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का जीरोस तब होगा जब अगर उस वैल्यू को उस पॉलिनोमियल में डालने के बाद जो रिजल्टेंट आए, यानी उस पॉलिनोमियल का उस पॉइंट पे वैल्यू जो आए वो जीरो हो जाए, तो उसको उस पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो बोलते हैं. तो हो सकता है किसी पॉलिनोमियल, जैसे किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का जो डिग्री होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल किसी पॉलिनोमियल मींस लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री जो होता है 1 होता है, तो इसके जीरोस कितने होंगे? 1 होते हैं. क्वाड्रेटिक मींस हैविंग डिग्री 2, इट मींस हैविंग 2 zeros. क्यूबिक हैविंग डिग्री 3, इट मींस हैविंग 3 different zeros. मींस किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का जितना डिग्री होता है उतना ही उसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट हियर. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, आई एम राइटिंग एन एग्जांपल polynomial I am writing here means simply x square minus 2x minus 3. for example, x square minus 2x minus 3. This is a polynomial. Which type of polynomial this is? Quadratic. Why quadratic? Because of having degree 2. This polynomial having degree 2 because of the highest power variable is 2. It means this polynomial is quadratic having degree 2. It means the number of zeros will be 2. Now, how can we find? How can we say the 2, 3, minus 1 or whatever is the zeros of this polynomial? How can we find the zeros? First of all, we have to just solve this polynomial, solve this expression, and we are going to find the value of x. Before this one, I am writing an example, simple example, x plus 2. This is a linear polynomial. Now tell me, x के जगह पर क्या पुट करेंगे कि ये पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्रेशन, पूरा का पूरा टर्म जीरो हो जाए, पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्रेशन जीरो हो जाए. इट मीन्स यहाँ प्लस 2 है तो अगर यहाँ पे मैंने माइनस 2 डाला, इट मीन्स मैंने निकाला p माइनस 2. इट मीन्स माइनस 2 प्लस 2 दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. इट मीन्स माइनस 2 इज द zeros of this given polynomial x plus 2. माइनस 2 जो है इस given polynomial का zeros है x plus 2 का. ना ये तो मैंने assume किया अपने मन से, हो सकता है कि मुझे पहले से पता, but how can you find? How can you find the zeros? Simple. Just erase this one. Now look at here. Right here, px is equal to 0. Polynomial is equal to 0. What is the value of this polynomial? X plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. And transposition, you know, I think in class 6 or 7 you have done transposition. Means अगर plus 2 को equal to के इधर भेजे तो 0 minus 2 it means minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. क्या ये अभी इससे पहले मैंने पुट किया था? Yes. It means minus 2 is the zeros of this polynomial. Similarly, how can we solve this type of polynomial? This is a quadratic polynomial, and I think in class 8 there was topic factorization. There was a chapter factorization, and exercise number C, middle term splitting was there. Understood? Just recall. Now we are going to split this given equation and find the value of x. Now write px is equal to 0 similarly. Now px means what? X square minus 2x minus 3 must be equal to 0. We are splitting the middle term minus 2. We can write here x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 as we have learned in class 8 minus 3x plus 2. If we are adding, इस दोनों को जोड़ने से बीच का टर्म होना चाहिए और अगर इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो a और c का प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए. जैसा कि हम लोग मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग मींस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग में क्लास 8 में पढ़ चुके हैं. Now x common in this both term, x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 now equal to 0. Now in these two terms x minus 3 is common and x plus 1 is the remaining. Now 1 by 1 x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. It means x is equal to 3 and minus 1. These two are the zeros of this given polynomial px. Means having degree 2, having two solutions, two zeros, and we can say solution also, but in next chapter quadratic equation we will say this one as solution. But right now in the polynomial means इस chapter में इसको 3 और minus 1 को इस given polynomial का solution बोलेंगे. but जब हम लोग class 10 के 4th number chapter quadratic equation में जाएंगे तो इसी value को इस given equation का zeros बोला जाता है. means टर्म्स चेंज होता है, बोलने का तरीका चेंज हो जाता है. नाउ हम किसी भी गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का जीरोस निकाल सकते हैं. मींस किसी भी नहीं, लीनियर और क्वाड्रेटिक. फॉर द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल मींस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल के हम लोग आगे लेटर ऑन हम लोग जानेंगे कि क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल के वैल्यूज को जीरोस को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ दिस वाज एन एग्जांपल. Now just look at here. There is a formula and there is a simple derivation type. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial px. मान लेते हैं कि अल्फा और बीटा किसी भी गिवन पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस है. अल्फा और बीटा मींस टू जीरोस. तो सिंपली हम लोग समझ सकते हैं कि दो जीरोस किसके होते हैं? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के होते हैं, और क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के जो जीरोज होंगे, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के जो जीरोज होंगे, तो इट मींस हम लोग कैसे यहां से पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड कर लेंगे, क्या कैसे निकालेंगे? इट मींस x बराबर अल्फा, x इज इक्वल टू अल्फा इज द जीरो ऑफ px. It means x minus alpha is the factor of px. तो जरा अपने आप को क्लास 9 में एज्यूम करें. There was a chapter also there, polynomial, and वहां भी हम लोग देखे थे factor theorem. If p alpha is equal to 0, it means x minus alpha is the factor of given polynomial. क्लास 9 में हमने पढ़ा था. तो वही चीज, x बराबर अल्फा अगर किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो है तो x माइनस अल्फा उसका फैक्टर हो. सिमिलरली x minus beta is also the factor of px. Now look at here. X minus alpha and x minus beta are the zeros of polynomial, and the basic form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. It means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to kx minus alpha into x minus beta. Because if two factors means किसी पॉलिनोमियल के दो फैक्टर्स हैं और दोनों का प्रोडक्ट जब करेंगे तो वो उस पॉलिनोमियल के बराबर होगा. हो सकता है कि सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में आए और दैट मींस वी आर इंक्लूडिंग देयर x. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. k x स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा x प्लस बीटा x अल्फा इनटू बीटा. Now just look at here, k x square minus alpha x means if we are taking minus x outside, it means alpha minus beta minus alpha x minus beta x. It means if you are taking minus outside, this one become minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Now multiply this one by k. Kx square minus kx into alpha plus beta plus k alpha into beta. Now compare the LHS and the RHS. It means the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of x square must be equal. It means x square का coefficient यहाँ k है और यहाँ a है. Similarly, x का coefficient कौन है यहाँ पे? माइनस के इंटू अल्फा प्लस बीटा, और यहाँ x का कोफिशिएंट कौन है? b. तो कंपेयर करने पर कोफिशिएंट्स बराबर होते हैं. सिमिलरली c मींस कांस्टेंट टर्म इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, तो c इज इक्वल टू k अल्फा इंटू बीटा. नाउ k is equal to a. If you are finding the value of k here, that will be minus b by alpha plus beta, and if you are finding the value of k here, alpha into beta by c. Sorry, c by alpha into beta. c by alpha into beta. Now look at here. This is k बराबर, this is k बराबर means k के बराबर, ये भी k के बराबर means on equating these two, equation first and equation second. Equation first must be equal to equation 2. It means a is equal to minus b by alpha plus beta. It means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now similarly, if we are computing equation 1 and equation 3, what we will find? A is equal to c by alpha into beta, and on cross multiplying, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Means alpha plus beta means what? Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta means sum of zeros, and alpha into beta means product of zeros. We are introducing a new term here, means relation between what? जो उसके मल्टीप्लाई में होता है। एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट ए, एक्स का कोफिशिएंट बी, कांस्टेंट टर्म सी, कोफिशिएंट्स। नाउ देयर इज अ न्यू टर्म, relation between coefficient and zeros of a polynomial, of a quadratic polynomial. Means zeros means अल्फा और बीटा, और कोफिशिएंट्स में क्या रिलेशन होता है? अभी मैंने देखा यहाँ पे अल्फा प्लस बीटा बराबर माइनस बी बाई एंड अल्फा इंटू बीटा बराबर सी बाई ए। Now what we can write here? Minus, what is b? Can you say b is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x by, what is a? Coefficient of x square. Look at here. What is a? Coefficient of x square. This is called sum of zeros. Sum of zeros we can say here कि sum of zeros बराबर minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Simple. This is the relation between zeros and coefficients. Similarly, we can say here alpha into beta means product of zeros is equal to c. What is c here? Look at here the basic form. This is called constant. Constant term by a means, right now I have told you now, coefficient of x square. It means these two are the relation between the coefficients and the zeros. These two are the relations between the coefficient and the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Now you can solve the questions which are related to quadratic polynomial, and there is a formula here. Means what formula? Just wait for a minute. If alpha is given and beta is given, means alpha is 2 and beta is minus 4, whatever. Now find the zeros. Sorry, these two are the zeros given of a polynomial. It means two zeros means this is a quadratic polynomial. How can you find the polynomial? These two are the formulas, and if you are going to find the polynomial, there is a formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Means put the value of this alpha and this beta, whatever is given in your question, and multiply, solve, you will get your answer. This formula came from here. Just look at here. Before this line there was a line here, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the formula, or this is the, from here this formula came. Means ये formula यहाँ से आया है, कहीं और से नहीं। तो आप लोग जहाँ भी कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, वीडियो को पॉज करें, हो सके just use earphone, headphone, earring, whatever that will be better for you. वो आपको क्लियरिटी के साथ वॉइस सुनाई देगी मेरी। और अगर कोई भी परेशानी प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में, इनबॉक्स में आके आप लिख सकते हैं। और that's all. Simply just pause the video and write it down in your copy and continue. In next video I will introduce cubic polynomial and how to solve those polynomial. That polynomial, how can we find zeros, how can we find the relation between the coefficient of zeros of a cubic polynomial. In next video I will just tell you. Okay, thank you.